Hi everybody, I'm Jeana, and this is ABC Merry Christmas. MERRYCHRISTMAS spells Merry Christmas. C is for the Christ child, baby Jesus, born on Christmas Day. H is for holly, green with red berries, the colors of Christmas. R is for the reindeer that pull Santa's sleigh. Look at that. Wow. I love that little Santa. Did you know that there are 9 reindeer? And their names are, ready? Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. Yeah, they have names. And don't forget Rudolph. The 9th reindeer's name is Rudolph. Do you know the song? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? I is for illumination. Bright Christmas lights in the cold winter nights. Ooh, aren't they pretty? S is for Santa Claus and his sack of presents. T is for tree, trimmed with ornaments and twinkling lights. M is for music, Christmas music. We love to sing Christmas carols. A is for the angel that sits on top of the Christmas tree. S is for snow, because Christmas wouldn't be Christmas without snow. Oh. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. The end. Merry Christmas.